Hi guys, so welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on JFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we see our program for you to bring you the latest Arsenal news update as they drop all over the world. So for now, I am going to start with today's morning show. So I can't see waiting Rio Ferdinand they talk about Max Dowman. Say Max Dowman will be good a key he gets to Arsenal's title push and the Metro now carry the story. So the Metro says Rio Ferdinand names surprise key player for Arsenal to win the Premier League. Now, when you read the entirety of the reports, Rio Ferdinand has overlooked the likes of Declan Rice and the Maguires and names 16-year-old Max Dowman as the key player in Arsenal's Premier League title push. When you go further down, so Rio Conde talks, see, I think he has to go to the World Cup. I think he's special. He's doing the same thing he did through every age group in the Premier League against grown men. He's been doing the same thing in training against Arsenal players who are top of the Premier League. Even the players there are going, wow. Even the manager is saying he has not seen anything like this from a player so young. It's crazy. Now, Rio Conde discussed Max Doman's role at title chasing Arsenal again. So he say he's not got the mental scars that the other players have because of what they've gone through in previous seasons. Now, he didn't end there. Those talents have to go. For example, Michael Owen went to the World Cup and blew up the whole squad and the whole world rather. You have to give these talents the experience, and even if he went there and didn't play, it would be useful for him to get used to the environment and playing at the tournament. That would be hugely valuable. We've seen players do that before and benefit from it. I didn't play minutes in the 1998 World Cup, but that experience really helped me at the 2002 tournament. I would love to see him go. It would be so exciting for English football. I would 100% take him. Look at Spain with Lamine. I'm not comparing them, but they saw a special talent in him and took him, and he blew everyone's socks off. So at the end of the day, what you really talk, I might say it's a far stretch. Just calm down. We don't want to put too much responsibility on this small boy's shoulder. So make everybody just calm down. Yes, it's going to play a part because how many people dey inform for this our team? But the young boy, one thing wey I no go deny be say whenever Max Doman dey play, he dey inspire the crowd. If he hold ball like this, everybody dey very very excited. Maybe na because na from our academy and everybody is regarding him as a very very special talent of the century. That kind of thing, like a great player. It only link am to Messi, link am to this one, that one. You get so if he hold ball like this, the fan base they dey very very excited and it is good. It is very very good. So it makes sense. So for Bournemouth, I expect to see him for every lineup. I expect to always see him there again because it go dey very very important. But I no go like make dem dey start am because EPL no be your mate. But I go like make come from the bench because I believe the opposition go run tire small and him go come take advantage. Na my own personal opinion be that one. Now moving forward, so I come dey read dis report from readers now wey dey talk say Arsenal style myth has been debunked by backward passes data. Now, for context, before we read the reports, you know, say there is this narrative, this agenda. Say Arsenal they always play back passes, too much back passes. You know, good. See Man City they do back pass. You get so all those back passes they dey use and they waste time. They be like say they don't know what they want to do. That's why they play back pass. They don't get vision. No, all those kinds of things. Now somebody took their time to go and do research. You get e just be like when dis Brighton coach come outside dey talk say oh Arsenal dey waste time, Arsenal dey waste time. The data come outside by the athletics show say na im young goalkeeper Verbruggen na im dey top there. Raya no even dey there. Na im young goalkeeper na im dey even dey waste more time before they restart play. So now let's come back to this report about back pass data. Now when you read the entirety of this particular report, you come when they talk about the narrative that is following us now, like a shadow, a lingers, commentary, everybody they talk about them. Now, new data around passing patterns tells you a very different story. And crucially, it exposes just how far perception has drifted from reality. While Man City records the highest percentage of backward passes in the league at 17.9%, Arsenal sits at just 15.7%, placing them above the teams who do it the least. The narrative does not match the numbers. Yes, because it has been proven now. Now, back passes presents if back passes, according to people say, represents caution, then logically, Man City should dominate that narrative. Instead, Man City are widely praised for control, intelligence, and patience. Arsenal, meanwhile, received the opposite label despite operating with a lower percentage. And the simple explanation is this: there are many things other people will do and get away with it. There will be no narrative, no agenda. But if Arsenal does that same thing, they will be crucified. Look, the day before yesterday, Arsenal versus Sporting. We were a bit cautious. It was very obvious to anybody that is looking at the game. Like, I know this is one word I know, but it was very obvious. Fine, but some people did not see it. You go know say this thing dey in ten tional. This is not wetin dey do now. They dey go do according to instruction. Now you had a certain Jamie Carragher that came out and said Arsenal were not playing well. Micah come ask and say, but if na Liverpool, you go say yes. What an incredible night. He say yes, I agree. And when I was explaining, I said that was an indictment. And the perfect example be this: Man City go do am, but nobody bats an eye. Na normal level, we are control. Because I always say it that most of all those back passes wey you dey see na because as I try to bring, especially teams wey no wan press, most of them were not pressing. So you have to bring them, take risk. Raya go hold ball small. They go rush Raya, go do triangular pass, pack, before you know don beat like 3 4 people. Boom, you launch am. Man City do it better. Man City go carry ball, go back, you go follow them before you know, back. Even back I said they do am. You get. So there is no ball playing team wey no dey carry ball go back. Carrying ball to the back is it helps you reset. Now the original people wey get the statistics na Billy Carpenter say percentage of passes that go backwards. Man City 70.9%, highest in the league. Arsenal 15.7, fourth fewest in the league. Now, big conception. So the source gradient sports. Now then get this particular statistics. Now, control has been mistaken for hesitation. Ateta has built a system that values structure. Every pass has intention. Every movement creates space for the next phase. However, control often looks like hesitation to those expecting chaos. That misunderstanding becomes clearer when placed alongside Arsenal's recent performances against Sporting, where patience and structure ultimately delivered a decisive moment. Arsenal did not rush, they waited, then they struck. Why we are saying all this now? Because at the end of the day, Ateta plan work out. And if you are like me, we don't study this Ateta. We don't say Ateta doesn't like chaos. Instead, Ateta loves control. Ateta go control wetin players go do, go still control wetin opposition go do. That's the type of manager we have. Now, away from that, so one of the Sporting Lisbon fullback, Ivan Fresneda, when they talk about our goalkeeper in Raya. So the guy called it to say, Omo, say Raya good oh." Because he was telling Amazon Prime via Ojogo. So he said, Raya is excellent. He's a great goalkeeper. Congratulations to David and Arsenal. Why they congratulate us, Raya? Because the pass accuracy where Raya gets. Now, the 30-year-old returned between the sticks against Sporting Lisbon and showed why he's one of the world's best in his position. It was brilliant with his all-round showing. Aside from the key saves, Raya completed 26 of 28 passes with an accuracy of 93%. Now, what it blocks Ivan Fresneda, say, oh, the guy get pass range and he get accuracy. That's why many people put that argument that if Raya played that Carabao Cup, you see all those four-man pressing, wey Man City dey do the for no do am. Because Raya go bypass. Imagine bypassing that first line of press, but I don't beat 4 people. How many remain? Because our own players na come dey behind that their own 4. Once you beat that first 4, baba, otilo, you don go, you get. But no be everybody get, every goalkeeper get that vision. And sadly, they know dey sell am for market. It's either you have it or you don't have it. So it's just there are no two ways about it. Now, away from that, Declan Rice, from wetin I dey hear, e don match Mikel Arteta record wey don stand since 2013. Now, wetin be that record? Say when Arteta dey play against Bayern Munich, Arteta won possession 13 times during the game. And Declan Rice sef, for the match wey we play against Sporting Lisbon, he actually did the same thing. So that's why they call the praise Declan Rice. In fact, for me, if say na me be Arteta at this point, I go say Mary Rice no dey even dey come training. Even if he come training, no go follow dem do all those anything rigorous, anything wey be say go add stress to him body. Because at this point now, Papa, Rice dey very important to Rice dey very important to this. As if Rice no dey, e dey show, e clear, e dey show. If him dey, you dey show too. You get. You know what it means to win the ball back 13 times, 13 whooping times. Omo, make dem no dey stress dat guy. We need am from now till the end of the season. We need him very important. Now, in fact, see wetin happen yesterday. PSG pack and give Liverpool 2-0. I no watch the game because I was busy watching back Atletico, but from the highlights and from wetin Liverpool manager use im mouth talk and from wetin other pipu sef talk, from wetin even Jamie Carragher sef use im mouth talk, you go know say Liverpool dat 2-0 was an understatement. Dat 2-0 was they were lucky for dat 2-0 wey dem chop, because from wetin I dey hear, even Carragher said e should have been like 6-7-0 against dem. And from wetin, if I make I show you some of the things wey Ancelotti dey talk, Ancelotti said we were completely ripped apart. Ancelotti gives his verdict on Liverpool's performance in the Champions League quarterfinal first leg tie to defeat to PSG. He said we were ripped apart. Even Enrique sef dey para say he no believe say na just two. Say he suppose to pass like that, but na so football be. Ancelotti come dey ask am say okay, why he no play Mohamed Salah? He say he no start Salah. So he got to say yes, he no start Salah, but when e come reach time to play Salah, he no fit put Salah because dem they were spending more time defending because PSG was just ripping them apart. This same PSG wey no even get Donnarumma again. In fact, Liverpool had an XG of 0.00 expected goals, which means they were not expected to score any goal. 0.00. I dey follow that story for social media. Somebody say Liverpool dey waste transport, dey waste jets and fuel money go that PSG. Therefore no go. Therefore just do say okay na walk over because it was a big disgrace. You get. So this was Ancelotti not play man. He say the last part of the game was about surviving. You get. So there was 20-25 minutes where we were only defending. Omo, it's crazy. It's crazy. They even say Dembele missed chances upon chances and Kivicha Kvaratskhelia. Omo, you see this guy wetin this guy do, wetin don do people so far for this wetin dem dey call am, for this Champions League. This guy is very very dangerous, like extremely dangerous. Wetin don do a lot of people. See recording Fabrizio Romano post, but na him be the man of the match against Liverpool. And I watch the highlight on, if you see the guy go there, dribble keeper, wetin happen? Omo, PSG no go fit leave this guy make we sign am. I no go lie for you. They no fit allow us sign this guy. If na you get this kind of player, you go let person sign am. Lie for no reason. I no, unless maybe him get buyers clause and himself dey willing to leave. Apart from that, make we just comot mind. Make we go dey pursue Rafael or pursue another person. This one, omo, this one na untouchable because when you watch the way the guy plays, surprisingly, when the guy play against us, nobody give him all those chances. They do all those kinds of all these shenanigans wey they do. Over two legs wey dem play against Arsenal, they never had that chance. Chris, he play na. The only person who play first leg be like say na Dembele abi that abi second leg. This one you no do anything na. Desire Dogo no do anything. You get. So that's why, because I dey see people dey talk say, if PSG can destroy Liverpool, what would they do to Arsenal? Baba, leave story for the gods. Get. When time reach, we go discuss on. In fact, before we go for, make I bring a message from one of our sponsors. So let's bring the message from Mobile World Associates and Co Limited. They're into construction services, dredging, canalization, real estate, and shore protection works. They're also into mechanical and fabrication services and procurement services nationwide. So if you want to reach out to them, you call them on +234 8064642234, and they're located at number 7 Eken Road or Razi, opposite St. Stephen's Anglican Church, Port Harcourt. If you are interested in any of their services, please do reach out to them. Also, we could bring you a message from another of our sponsors, Leaders Educational Services and Tours Limited. So them, they do UK visit visa. So the total package is 2.5 million. So what they need from me in an international passport, 60% down payment to start processing. Then $180 visa application fee that you will pay separately once you do that. So them go do your application processing, then your travel itinerary, complete document processing and guidance, the whole 9 yards. So if you're interested, make you just reach out to them on 00659 33339. Their number is at the bottom of the screen, so do well to get in touch with them ASAP. Yes. Now, another match they also play, not only PSG, Barca Atletico. Atletico don dey 2-0 up. Yes. And say Philip just dey complain, just dey lament. Oh, say that because e get one time wey we say Atletico Madrid keeper pass ball, give defender come take hand touch am to restart play. Barca just dey complain. All of them, both Rashford, all of them say it's supposed to be penalty, Even at the years now, say Barca don send former official complaints to UEFA. So that is supposed to be penalty. If VAR dey sleep, say e clear. But the red card wey dem give Kubrasi, and so Philip dey say he no sure say that is supposed to be red card. See the see bias get. Your own, you just say no clear, but other people will not clear. Okay, this was clear, red card and a penalty for us. Whereas VR, the way they look, I don't go lie for you. If Baka qualify to the semi-final, I will be extremely surprised. Extremely. Because without Rafinha, Baka know they get that bite. Rafinha is very, very important to that team, you get. And Pedri na don't get injury. Kubasi no go play second leg. So how you go be? I no just know how you go be. Now, when you also go down, as a flick on it, say the VAR was German. So thank you, Germany. Wetin concern Germany for wetin happen? Oh my god. So you say it's better I do not speak about the referee. Better for me. I'm not even sure it was a red card for Kubasi in the first half. Imagine. But the opponents will declare for you, you are sure. But this are not sure. Barcelona is seriously considering sending the former appeal to UEFA because they're really happy with what really happened. After the match, I can't see Gavi they cry. Omo, you see this backup player, Sabi make mouth. At the end, Lamine Yamal, we are going to win the Champions League. We are going to do this, we are going to do that. Oh yeah, come win them now. Easy. Easy. At the end of the day, the man of the match was Julian Alvarez weighing down that free kick. In fact, Baba talk say yesterday, that before the match, day before yesterday, when they practice free kick for training, say him play like 5, score 1. You get, I mean 5 or 6, score 1. But look now, match day, he just buzzed the thing enter. Me sef I was like, wow, you get. Now, going back to that Liverpool game, so Nana come here say, Jamie Carragher come here say, and Slot got his tactics massively wrong, and that Virgin van Dijk will be pleading with him not to use the back five because he play defensive formation, play 3 centre back defensive formation, and they go there back up. Now, in Ancelot's defense, he say the team be say for this Parc des Princes home of Paris Saint-Germain, many different teams don come here, bring different type of tactics, and everybody still collect. So im come try the one wey im feel say go work for am, you get, and last then collect. And that buttresses the point I was making about Mikel Arteta, that what Arteta did was intentional and it worked. Because it worked, we have to praise him. See Slots now don try im own tactics, e no work. If to say Arteta own no work, you know how the media for take laugh Arsenal. Now, that was why I was keenly interested in seeing wetin Carragher will talk about Liverpool. Carragher say Liverpool dey play like lower division team. They no get any understanding. Like, in scatter in team, you get. I say yes. Now so it's supposed to be. No be only another person team will run your mouth. This one now don't happen. Oh yeah, what do you think? Now, away from that. So according to Transfer News Live, Arsenal are looking to strengthen their defense this summer with younger options who can play understudy to their starting 11 and develop the squad. Among people that they target, now Victor Valdepenas of Real Madrid, left back, then Jacobo Ramon, who they play for Como. That guy they play for Como, the guy is very, very good, you get. But with that Como will let us buy him. That one I never really know. Now, they talk about this Champions League, say maybe final, if it be possible, 2 students will play for we coach under Mikel Arteta. Maybe not them. Then they go play the final together. Well, that one said nobody really know. What could they watch? If it's possible, maybe we are going to see a Bayern Arsenal final, because I see Bayern PSG meeting in the semi-final. That match go. In fact, for me, that match will be the final before the final. Aji, that match it go hot. It go be the final before the final. Now, what me I the honestly think. Now, let's also bring you a message from another of our sponsor. They call Divine Ventures, Psalm 23. So, this number of our community members, we get this beautiful vehicle that you can see on the screen. This is a distress sale because Baba just messaged me, says, I would like to sell this motor. 2008 Range Rover Sports. So, it's nothing to fix for the car. Engine is 100%, gearbox 100%, AC 100%, tires 100%, the balloon 100%, 11 million asking price. So where the motor dey na for Aja, Lekki. So inspection is available 6 a.m. to 7 p.m. daily is available. So registration number, everything is dey intact. So if you're interested, you can just reach out to the Bio Ventures on 0022697300 0036427111. So the number is at the bottom of the screen. You'll do well to get in touch with them ASAP. So with that being said, I think it's a fine place for us to just end the show. So it's like come your way later in the evening to give the evening student. Thanks for tuning in. Enjoy the rest of your day. Not your mouth. All right, guys. Ciao.